Imagine you are driving up a beautiful mountain pass, but suddenly your car starts acting like it is gasping for air and loses all its power. If your scan tool is showing a P2230 code, your engine is essentially confused about how much air it is actually breathing. This code points to an intermittent or erratic fault in the barometric pressure sensor A circuit, which is the system your engine computer uses to measure the atmospheric pressure around you. This is a generic code that pops up on everything from a Chevy to a BMW, and it is a big deal because your engine needs this data to hit that perfect stoichiometric air-to-fuel ratio of 14.7 parts air to 1 part fuel. Think of this sensor as the engine's inner ear. When it starts glitching, the car cannot tell if it is at sea level or on top of Mount Everest, leading to misfires, a strong smell of gas, and a serious drop in fuel economy. To fix this, you should first hunt down the sensor and check for any obvious physical damage or loose wires caused by engine vibration. Since this is an intermittent issue, it is often just a loose connection or some road debris blocking the sensor's port. Make sure to unhook your battery before you start poking around the electrical pins with a multimeter to avoid any nasty voltage spikes. If the wiring looks clean, but your multimeter readings are jumping all over the place compared to the factory specs, the sensor itself has likely given up the ghost and needs to be replaced to save your engine from long-term internal damage.